This morning we're working on my Towmotor LT350 propane fuel system. This item right here is a Century Fuel Products fuel lock-off filter. It's a 2384 12 volt system. Basically what it does, this end hooks to your propane tank. You've got propane comes in to this filtering chamber, and then this is an electromagnetic valve. When the ignition turns on, a little stopper in here moves and fuel flows out this orifice here. I ordered a rebuild kit from Century Fuel Products. They have a website online, centuryfuelproducts.com. I got the complete rebuild kit, which comes with the instructions. And this set of, I don't know if you can see that or not. We have a filter, several O-rings, a little spring, the electromagnetic valve, and new screws for the whole thing. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and we'll get to it. To start off with, we're going to scribe a line just so we know which direction everything's oriented. The instructions talk about removing the lock-off filter from the vehicle. Obviously that's all been done. It says remove these screws. Go ahead and open this up. That's the filter unit there. O-ring. Looking down inside here, this is not an exact match for the diagram. This has a, looks like a wire mesh filter in it. Inside this top part, there's a few things to be overhauled. Cover, and then you see this electromagnet here. There's 4 screws that hold this top piece down. Remove that top cap. This piece pops out. Inside of there you see our little sliding piece. Give everything a little wipe out. Got a new plunger assembly. There's a new spring that goes in the top of that. You can see that sits right there. That assembly goes back here. I've got a new O-ring for this portion. An old O-ring is about flat. Just install this new one right here. Hey guys, wanted to update you. Unfortunately, my camera cut out there at the end of my rebuild of that fuel valve, and I did not catch it. So don't have footage of that, but it did go back together, just basically exactly opposite of taking it apart. The only problem I did run into, mine is apparently an older version, and the bigger O-ring you saw in that video that seals the filter cup on the bottom to the housing on top didn't work out for me because I don't have an O-ring slot or groove for that to go in. So I ended up just reinstalling the old flat black gasket. That seemed to work real well, and I got it back on the forklift, no leaks. So I'll get you a video of the process of working through the forklift system and getting it running soon on that old Towmotor forklift of mine. So thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. You know how to do that. Have a great evening.